Question number 30. A 2 by 2 matrices A and B below are related to matrix C by the equation C equals 2A minus 3B. What is matrix C? So to solve this problem, we are going to use our matrix function on the calculator. So you can see we have a 2-row by 2-column matrix, both consisting of matrix A and matrix B. Okay. And what I want you to make note of right away is this equation, okay? So C is equal to 2A minus 2B, okay? All right, so this is really saying 2 times matrix A minus 3 times matrix B. So we need to store our matrices first and then complete the equation, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so our matrix function is right here. So to get to it, we need to say second and this key here. Okay. So we are going to store our 2 by 2 in A and B to be consistent with the problem, but I could have used C or D. So let's go ahead and select edit. All right. And notice by default, we have a 1 by 1 matrix. What I need you to do is say 2 by 2. Okay. Press enter. Once you do that, we can now begin entering our matrix terms. Okay, so 3, enter, 5, enter, -2, enter, 1, enter. Okay, so that is matrix A, right? So go back to matrix. I press in second and then the matrix key. We are going to go down to B and select edit, tab over to edit. And we are editing matrix B, and it too is a 1 by default. So we are going to change it to 2 by 2. So next, put in -4, enter, 5, enter, 2, enter, 1, enter. Okay. So now that we have both matrices stored, and we can check it to verify it. Okay. So let's just say second quit to get out. And we can go on ahead and enter the second matrix, and then go on ahead and press enter to bring up matrix A. Okay, press enter, and you can see that that is consistent with what we see here. Okay, all right. So let's go on ahead and solve our problem. Okay. All right, so the problem again states that a 2 by 2 matrices A and B below are related to matrix C by the equation matrix C is equal to 2 times A minus 3 times B. So that's basically 2 times matrix A minus 3 times matrix B. All right, so let's go on ahead and enter that. So what we're going to do is say 2, second matrix key, enter for A, minus second, this key for matrix, scroll down to 2, press enter, and now we have matrix B. But notice I forgot to actually put in my 3 here. So I have tabbed over. I'm going to press second delete key to insert the number 3. Okay? And now you can see that what I have on my calculator here is consistent with what you see here. So go ahead and press enter. All right, so we can clearly see that this equation, matrix C, is actually equal to 2 times matrix A minus 3 times matrix B. And we can see that our solution is actually answer choice F. All right. Okay, so a couple things before I let you guys go. I want to make certain that I was clear in showing you how to enter this matrix, okay? And I probably did that a little bit too fast, so we are going to press the second key and this X raised to the -1 key here because we are trying to get to matrix, okay? And that brings up the matrix menu. We are next going to tap over to edit, and we want to edit matrix, let's say C this time, okay? So go on ahead and press 3 for matrix C. And as I stated, by default, it will be a 1 by 1. You need to change it to 2 by 2. And you will notice that you have your template And now you can begin entering your terms. So press 3, and then 5, -2, and then 1. And you will do the same thing for matrix B. Press second quit to get out. And now that you're at the home screen, you're simply going to press 2 and say second matrix, right? And you want A, which is highlighted by default. So we're simply going to select the enter key, okay? -3 second matrix, and you want number 2, which is B, okay? And now that we've put it in, we can say enter. And as you can see, that's the answer. Okay, guys, so I hope that this was helpful. Enjoy learning. Bye-bye.